Everybody, today I am going to attempt oxtails in my pressure cooker. These beautiful oxtails were washed and trimmed. So these are the seasonings I will be using today. I don't have a lot of the things that I normally use, like for example fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, and fresh bay leaves, but I do have 2 bay leaves, so I'm going to be using these and whatever else I found in the refrigerator. So this is completely like sporadic, you know, not prepared. I'll be using a little bit of this, some Italian wishbone, some Worcestershire sauce, a little soy sauce, you know, and some chipotle. Right now I'm putting the power cooker on saute, and I'm going to brown these bad boys. Adding a little high heat olive oil so I can brown them. A little high heat olive oil. Just a little, just coat the bottom. I don't need a lot of oil, and this doesn't need a lot of oil. Okay, let's pre-season these with some seasoning salt. So I'll be using the Pappy's seasoning salt. I really like the salt, guys. It's so good. Let's get some of that on there. Okay. And I'll be adding a little garlic powder, just a little bit. Onion powder. And I'll be adding about a teaspoon of brown sugar. This is optional. I just like to brown it with the brown sugar. It gives it a nice coating. The brown sugar on there. The rest of the seasonings can go in the pot after browning. Okay guys, they're nicely seasoned, and now we are going to drop them into the pot. The power pressure cooker on saute, and I dropped one in there, and I'm browning all of them. Have a little high heat olive oil. Okay guys, I'll be adding my garlic, my fresh garlic. Let's say two tablespoons should be enough. That's if you like garlic. Okay. And let me add my allspice. Okay. I like the smell of allspice. And the leaves. Okay. Add a little white pepper. White pepper. Okay. I didn't show you the packaging of the allspice, but there it goes. This is pretty good, especially if you have the allspice balls. But I'm not going to be using these today. So let's continue to add. Let's get we're going to be using our Italian seasoning. Since we don't have my fresh thyme and rosemary, just a nice healthy portion of that. Okay. And just put that down there. It gives it a kick. I love the flavor of this. I mean, normally just use it for poultry, like a poultry seasoning, but I'll be using it today in this pot. Now I'll be using some soy sauce, just about a tablespoon, and that's for color and flavor. And we we have our Worcestershire sauce. It doesn't matter the brand, guys. I'm just a little cheap. Oh, let me add about, maybe not that much, a quarter of a cup. How about that? Now, guys, I have my browning sauce. This is very important, especially if you want a beautiful color. So we're going to add our browning sauce. But we're just going to add just a little bit. There you go. Guess that was about a teaspoon. So I'm going to have these 2 bay leaves in there. Frito, but it's a tomato base. It has peppers, cilantro, onions, green peppers, olive oil. It's so good. I love this stuff. I usually put it in my rice. It makes very good rice and beans. So I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of that. So there goes 3. Okay. I love this stuff. It gives it a kick. My chipotle, I use it quite a lot. Teaspoon of my chipotle peppers in a jar. That gives it a real good kick, guys. You could use more, but depends on how you can withstand the heat. Now, stock. So I use this. It's very good. I use this. It's very good. It has lots of good flavor. And you just use this and add water, and it becomes a beef stock up end. Okay, guys. There's our beef stock. And this is Knorr Home Style stock. Our Knorr Home Style beef stock. All you do is add this and add water. Let's put that in there. That's going to be good. So now we have our magic potion, guys. Alrighty, I have my water, and I just filled this red cup. It's large. This large red cup up with water, and I'll be pouring it in. I want to add a little bit more, maybe a half of a cup more. So, let me get some more water. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm going to kind of mix this potion. Mix it up a bit. Get all that flavor and that seasoning on all of our oxtails. It's not even cooking yet, guys. My mouth is already watering. I'm so excited. You don't know. We love oxtails. So my husband, he ran and he went to go get these oxtails, right? And I was like, were they on sale? He was like, yeah. I said, well, how much are they? He said they're $5.99. And that's a pity that $5.99 is a sale. Yes, people, we are in California where everything is expensive. So yes, these were $5.99 a pound. And now we're going to put the top on and let these pressure cook. I'm so excited, guys. And let's do this. It's going to pressure cook and go to beef. I don't have my glasses on. Darn. Come on. Here's beef. Press that. And press it again. And there you go. Okay, guys, so the pressure cooker beeped, which means it is time to open and see what we have. The one good thing about this pressure cooker is it automatically goes on the warm setting. So it's been on warm for about 8 minutes now. So let's see what we got. We're going to open and release. Okay, now it's time to open. Oh wow. That smells so good. Those flavors just hit my nose palate like what? So guys, on the first go round on the beef setting of the pressure cooker, these cook down on pressure for 30 minutes. And as you can see, they're not quite ready yet. So we are going to do a second round of beef pressure cooker setting. Okay, so that's another 30 minutes. So altogether that is an hour. So they should be ready by then. But it smells so good. So our pot has beeped again. So the next set of 30 minutes is over, equaling 1 hour with the pressure cooker. So let's open that. Okay, now I'm going to unlock it. Ready, guys? Here it goes. Oh wow. Oh my. Ooh-wee. It's smoky up in here, y'all. Those look done. Yes, indeed. Oh my. Ooh. They are tender, boo. I'm talking to my husband, y'all. Nice and juicy and tender. Doesn't it look so good? Kitchen making rice and peas to go with this. Okay. Doesn't that look good? Nice and juicy and tender. Okay. All right, so our oxtails are ready. You know what? I really need to show how tender they are. Let me show you that. Fall off the bone, melt in your mouth. Let me tell you. It's liquid at the bottom. It's just a little teeny liquid at the bottom. You can add about a teaspoon of cornstarch and water to maybe thicken that a little bit. But yeah, it's up to you. It's what you like. That looks good. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to plate this and show you guys what it looks like with the beans and rice. So it's all done. We have our oxtails, rice and peas, and jerk chicken done on a grill, the way it's supposed to be. That looks really good, guys, doesn't it? It smells so yummy. But the pressure cooker, I am so proud of it. It cooked these oxtails absolutely amazing. My husband's eating, and it's good, right, honey? He shook his head, like, yeah. And, you know, he did these jerk chicken. I did those rice and peas and oxtail in our pressure cooker. And we all know what's missing on this plate, right? So it's all good. That looks so good. It smells so delicious, guys. I can't wait to sink my teeth into these juicy, tender oxtails. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and give me a like and share if you like my video. Ooh, yes. Yes. That is so delicious. Yeah. Look how tender that is. Look at that. Meat just fall off the bone. I mean, what's better than leftovers? We got the leftovers in the house. Okay, we got the rice and peas and the jerk chicken. Look at that juicy, fine jerk chicken. And of course, our leftover oxtails.